this video, I will go over the UserCandy Framework Upgrade System. Once you have it installed, version 1.0.4 or greater, you'll be able to access this new feature. So first, once you want to log in as administrator, open up the admin panel. See, it's telling me here that it needs to upgrade. Either click this link here or go to the dispenser framework. It'll display any updates one at a time in order here that you can download. So you can go ahead and download this one. Now it shows the download for this one, but you can also update this one. So it's up to you if you want to upgrade one at a time or download them all and then upgrade them one at a time. Either or works just fine. It'll still go in order. So I'm just going to go ahead and download these. Right. Now you do an upgrade, and it kind of gives you a warning. Hey, you might want to do a backup. Yada yada yada. Right. So want to make sure not to close your browser or refresh the page, so it can break the framework. Make sure that if you're on a laptop that the battery's charged and or plugged in. That way you don't have to worry about this ending halfway through and not being able to fully update the framework. Run it. And then these are just some test files that I'm using. Basically just inserting into plugin demo part of the database, and then it's copying a file from one place to another. But in doing so, it actually copies this file. First, it copies the file that's on the server to a folder, backup folder, and then it copies the new file to the location that's up in. So that way, it kind of creates a backup. That way, if you did change anything in the core files, which I highly suggest not to, but if you do, there'll be some kind of backup of it. So that way, you can go in and kind of look at the changes you file. Updates. So it's a pretty neat little setup. Does it one at a time. I'm proud of is how it shows it as it goes. Of course, the last thing it does is you want it to do is update the database on version user. Out. Done. More. Oh, there's more here. So 103 to 104. So if I bring over the folder for 104, see here, got a backup folder. Already done it a few. But what it does is it'll copy that file, all files that it's copying, over to this backup folder, and it'll include the directories that it was in, so on and so forth. So that way you can open up that file and be able to use that as a backup. That way if you made any changes. So it's a little added feature that I put in, which I'm still working on adding more and more. Did a lot of security fixes, whatever you want to call it. Make this more secure. So like it downloads from the usercandy.com dispensary and then copies of files and all that good stuff. If you feel like that's not secure enough for you, the upgrade files will be available in the future for you to download into your custom framework folder. That way you can just unzip the files in here and then upgrade from there, however you want. But yeah, so now it's up to date. Pretty neat little feature. I'm very proud of it and excited and can't wait to see what it brings in the future. Thanks for watching.